got the burn. I got the burn on me. I got the burn, I got bands, understand.
Hi, for today's video, these are the ingredients you're gonna need to do your face mask. That's baking powder or baking soda, lemon or lime, and honey. What I did was I cut the lime, I squeeze out the juice. The juice is all we need. So that's like 2 spoons of lime juice. And then I add 1.5 spoons of baking soda and 1.5 spoons of honey, and then I just mix it together real good for like about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I added it to my face. So right here I'm just adding it to my face. Yes, you can use your hands to add it to your face. Once every part of my face is covered, I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. And I still had more left. Yeah, but this is what it looks like on my face. It's like very sticky. My face is looking good already, and this is the final look, clean and smooth. There's like thousands of videos like this on YouTube, but I thank you for watching mine. So you can like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want, and I will see you next time.